Good morning, everyone. It is Embarkation Day.
Okay, so we have made it. Lighting over here. All your important information right here. Air and the heat. Oh no, I need some air. Yep, all the way up. And they give you this key card for your light, so that's pretty good. Okay, so let's start on this side. You have the television. Got some water, an ice bucket. Ooh, fancy. The fridge is fancy. Okay. Got the nice wall art. It was two twin size beds put together. On the side over here, you have this, I guess it's supposed to be a side, like a nightstand or whatever. You do have this. Oh, it's a nice reading light. Okay, I did bring my book with me. So, what's this for? Oh, that controls the light in the front. Okay, this is the light above the bed. Oh, fancy. I'm gonna leave that on. I like that. I like that. Onto this side, this is my dresser desk area. So it has 3 drawers right here. So just places you can put things in. A hair dryer. What else? Yeah, just extra space. I have my Bacardi that I ordered. So I have Bacardi and mixers. I did say I didn't want to get the drink package this time. So that's that. This, I'm assuming, yeah, controls this light. This is a nice, bright, like, I'm gonna take all my pictures right here. I just need y'all to be prepared. Like, every day. Yeah, this is nice. So, I'm so out of breath, y'all. I've been walking around the ship trying to record, and it's just been a mess. But anyway, I don't see my water. I did order some water. But over here, you have these nice shelves. I like this because I can like spread my things out when I'm ready to unpack. So that's gonna be perfect. And here they give you 2 beach towels. Now you do have to return these towels, but these are good when you're on port. You don't have to pack your own towel. Seats underneath, like an ottoman. And it also a place for you to eat. Place for you to either eat in bed or whatever. And you put, you know, when you order food to your room, you can just use it like that. So I like that. The bathroom. Let's start over here. Oh, this is like fancy. I like the flooring. Everything is just fancy on this ship. Have places to put your things right there. You have towels. They change out their towels every day. You have a nice like makeup mirror over here. This is really nice. I like this. Am I seeing what I'm seeing? No curtains. I'm seeing that. This is a nice glass. This is nice. I like this. I really, really do. And it has like that nice floor tiling in there as well. This is nice. Okay. Next is the, oh, they have these nice hangers too. I mean, not hangers, but places you can, you know, hang your stuff, your robe, whatever. Next in the closet. Okay, yeah, I told you I had a spa cabin. Sorry, a spa interior. So I have my nice plush. Ooh, these are big. Oh. You see it. Too, so that's pretty nice in case I get one dirty since I am alone. I also get my slippers down here. I get 2 pairs of slippers also. So this is like really, really nice. What is this over here? Oh, more slippers. Next we have this one. So you have like some shelving and places to hang your stuff or stack your stuff, whatever you prefer. I like this at the bottom. It pulls out, so that's really nice. And it comes with a safe as well. This is like my best friend when it comes to leaving my important items while I'm away, and also while this room stewards are cleaning the room. I don't want any important things sitting out. And more hangers. They have a lot of hangers. Oh, and a mirror. Yep, nice mirror. They come with 2 USB ports and 3, oh, 4 USB ports and 3 standard plugins. So this is different for me, but I'm gonna force myself to like be out more, just not stay in my room so much so that I can enjoy the air and whatever comes with that.
Have you used the Carnival before?
No, I haven't.
Happy birthday! Woo!
Appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be on the Carnival Mardi Gras for 7 whole days, so I have a whole lot of cruise content coming for you guys. Make sure you like this video. All right, until next time, bye.